Today we're making rosemary chicken potatoes with fennel. Let's go. Grab about 2.5 pounds of potatoes and start peeling. Peeling potatoes are not for the weak, but now they're done, your hands hurt, now we're gonna cut them. They should be about this size on all of them so they cook evenly. Now grab your fennel, we're gonna cut this. These are your fronds, and you can save these. We're gonna save some of these so we can kind of garnish with. The rest of it you don't need. I'm gonna cut off the bottom of this real quick and then the whole head, and then we're gonna chop it up into slices, kind of like an onion. And then I usually just stack it on top of each other and do one big slice to break them up, and then I put them in. Now when you break this apart, you're gonna get some of the root, like the very middle of it. I don't eat that, I just kind of discard that. This is what we're looking like. Now I'm gonna add a good amount of oil. We wanna get enough so it can coat and get the seasoning to stick to the vegetables. I'm gonna add pepper first, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, rosemary. I'm gonna go pretty heavy on that. And now I'm gonna mix it around. I'm gonna put the chicken thighs right on top. Now you're gonna season your chicken on both sides, the same seasoning that you did on your fennel and potatoes. Now I'm gonna put about a half a can of chicken broth on the bottom. Don't touch the chicken, just the potatoes. Now we're gonna cover and put it in the oven on 425 for 40 minutes. Take the tin foil off and put it back for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna grab some of these fronds from here and I'm gonna dice them up. And now to try. Those potatoes sucked all of that chicken broth up. The fennel's coming through. Cut, cut, cut.